All right guys, so this truck was in here last week. It is back. We're doing some more stuff to it, but we're gonna show you what we did to it last week first. So, to start with, this thing got a Carli backcountry kit. This is a level kit. So we had coil springs, we had the struts, brake lines, we had the caster shims, and then moving to the back, we're gonna show you what we did in the back. So in the back on these level kits, all we pretty much did was just add some struts to it. So now that it's back again, we're getting ready to do something else. We're gonna show you what that is right now. All right, so this is what we got next. So we upgraded suspension, now we gotta upgrade the steering. A lot of people don't think about this when they upgrade their suspension. Big, huge factor. Usually when you're upgrading suspension, like something on this truck, you're going from a stock setup to something aftermarket. Well, your steering is also affected when you're lifting the front of the truck or you're lifting the truck total, the whole thing. So we got some new steering from Synergy, gray to match the truck, which is pretty cool. So we got a drag link here, we got a tie rod here. So these are getting ready to go in. It'll fix the steering. Hopefully there's no weird shaking, weird vibration, nothing weird going on. So right now, Don's getting ready to take everything apart, so we're gonna go check that out. Don's getting ready to pull everything with this little puller here. He's gonna pull the steering stabilizer first, and then he's gonna pull the pitman arm. See, popped right off. So normally when you're pulling a pitman arm off, it's pretty stuck. So pitman arm's obviously attached to your steering box. That's what allows you to steer the vehicle. It's been on there for a while. These trucks are approaching 20 years old. So once again, we have to use something like a puller to pop that thing off. For you guys that didn't know about solid axle front vehicles, we're gonna point out a couple things here. So this down here, this really long arm that connects both knuckles together right here, this is your tie rod bar. So this connects both of your knuckles together, allows you to steer the vehicle. This here is your drag link. So this connects your steering box up by your pitman arm down to one of your knuckles, which allows you to then steer the truck. This is your track bar. So your track bar basically connects your frame side mount, which is up top there, down to your axle side mount. So this keeps the axle centered and allows it to not do this and hop around while you're driving. So anytime you lift a vehicle, normally you're going to have a drop bracket up on your frame side mount to drop this track bar down so it's a little bit more horizontal and less of this, more of this. And that keeps your steering geometry in perfect sort of center, allows you to have no issues when you're driving down the road, no shakes, no vibrations, no weird stuff like that. All right, so we just finished up the steering on this truck behind me. Now we're gonna talk about something that few people ever actually do or even consider. Now, these are body mounts, and these are from S&B. So basically they're truck specific. They come in a set, you replace them. Now the big thing is on trucks that are 20+ years old, they're getting a little old, some of these body mounts are wearing down. Like this front driver's side mount, almost completely gone. So what we're gonna do today as the final sort of thing to do on this truck is we're gonna add some brand new S&B body mounts. All right, so we just hit the big 3 upgrades on this truck. We went through the suspension, the steering, and the body mounts. So this truck is gonna ride just like it did off the factory floor. Hopefully this customer really enjoys his brand new ride.